Alright guys, so we just got our ticket from Corfu to Parga.
The boat itself is like an hour to an hour and a half, and it was 11 euros one way. So we're going to take the boat to the mainland, and then from the mainland we're going to drive maybe 30 to 45 minutes to get to Parga. I'm so excited, and I think 11 euros is a good price for an hour and a half at sea.
Ruthi's getting on. Woo! We'll take you guys on a little boat tour. So there's a couple outdoor areas, and then the biggest part of the boat obviously is beneath the boat for all the cars, and then right above it an indoor area. So we'll show you guys that, and then we'll come back out here into these amazing shady seats.
First we're going to start at my favorite place.
This is your favorite place, Ruthi. This boat has a bathroom.
Go look inside.
Bathrooms.
Okay, now we're going to see what's upstairs because we haven't gone there. Oh, this is where you go if you want to get a tan while you're on the ferry. So much sun and a little bit of shade. It's very beautiful, but I didn't put on sunscreen yet, so I'm gonna burn if I go up here.
No burn team, what up?
Look, for nighttime they have little fairy lights.
Fairy lights! They don't have wings though. Alright, what a tour. Ruthi tour guide, what up?
Whoa. Do you think we're allowed in here?
Yeah.
In here?
Oh, this is the captain's room.
It's the captain's room. I don't want to go inside. Oh.
I will.
I'm just too scared to go inside. Come on.
Yeah.
There's one other really cool part that I want to show you guys. This is good. And in here they have like a bar restaurant for snacks. Check it out.
Bar restaurant. People. Seating area.
It's really beautiful in here.
Okay, let's go back to our shady
Really
spot.
beautiful. With our Uber Michael over here. Best driver in all of Greece.
This is awesome.
I might be taking it down.
Probably right.
We just got to the Canary Studios. This is Michael and his family's hotel here in Parga. And now we're going to walk up to our room.
All the bags.
Kitchen, chairs, table. This is the bathroom. Oh, I love toilets like this. Oh, hi guys, hi. Here's the shower. And here's the bedroom. Wow. Oh, we get 2 separate beds. Mike knows us. No, I'm kidding.
We don't like sleep together.
We don't like sleeping together. I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. Ooh, oh, hi guys, hi. Okay. This is beautiful.
of the coolest things about this town is that there's so many little alleyways and hidden ways to get to places. Michael was telling us that every season he finds like new hidden roads and ways to get to places and shortcuts. It's just like so awesome. You can just get lost, go weaving in and out of the streets. And I feel like that's the theme of Europe. We keep doing that, like weaving in and out of like corners.
You could spend years exploring this and still not know of every street.
Yeah.
Euros each?
Yeah, I'll have to.
2 euros.
I want to get this on video. I want to watch Michael being Greek.
You can watch my big fat Greek wedding, or his parents' wedding in the church.
Okay, here's the view that we didn't get to see last night. Whoa. And here's the castle.
I'm right here.